Water insulation applications begin with surface preparation and cleaning. If needed, surfaces are cleaned with the polishing machine. The surface, which is then cleared of dust, dirt, and oil, is ready for the application after the cleaning. During this process, if there are cracks and faulty surfaces, these are fixed with structural mortar or Clever Seal PU25. Then it is time for filter montage and application for cursory insulation. Then, the surface lining of dilatation joints are made to prevent expansion cracks in structures. After the lining is dried, two-component polyurethane-based filling mastic Clever Seal PU2K is prepared and poured. "24 hours later, the dilatation band is sealed with two-component epoxy-based repair, anchorage, and montage mortar epoxy repair, completing the dilatation insulation. A 4 cm cant is made with cement-based structural maintenance mortars on corners, or with special insulation felts. Horizontal and vertical corners are prepared for insulation. Before absorbent surfaces such as concrete or cement are coated, the ratio of humidity must be 5% at the most. If the ratio of humidity is below 5%, PU Primer 200 is used. On humid surfaces, PU Primer 300 2K is preferred. After the lining is dried, it's time for the application.